Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This error is usually related to Windows security settings, Roblox server issues, or corrupted app files. First, go to your desktop and click on the Windows search bar. Type Core Isolation and open it. This will take you to the Windows security settings. Once you're there, turn off Memory Integrity and Kernel Mode Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. When you disable these options, restart your PC and then try opening Roblox again to see if the issue is resolved. If Roblox is still not working, the next thing you should do is check whether Roblox servers are having problems. Open your browser and search for Roblox server status. Then click on status.roblox.com. On this page, check if there are any ongoing outages or operational issues. If you see any problems listed, there's nothing you need to fix on your end. Just wait until Roblox resolves the issue. If everything looks fine on the status page and the error still appears, the final solution is to reinstall Roblox. Open the Windows search bar again and type Settings, then open it. Go to Apps, then go to Installed Apps. Here, search for Roblox and click the three dots and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall, and once it's removed, go back to the Roblox website or app and install Roblox again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.